Are massage chairs hard to use? What if the power cord overheats? What should I do if my chair broke soon? Cleaning is a pain. I don't want to spend time to maintain it every time. Real Relax massage chairs provide hassle-free comfort for you. Smart controller. One-touch start. Easy to use. Safe power cords. No overheating. Quick and easy to clean. Real Relax massage chairs come with safe and reliable power design to avoid the common problems that are often seen in the market and ensure hassle-free maintenance. We are here to help with any issues. Join Real Relax family now. We're here to hear your voice. Subscribe for exclusive offers and get instant answers.